All right, here we go, everybody. Check it out. We're back to some cool questions, but once again, they're attacking us with word problems, okay? One of the cool things about this word problem is you're working with something called unknowns. But don't be scared, because what's really cool about these word problems at this level is that they don't ask you to go and discover the unknown. They actually give you what the unknown is, and you have to substitute. So let me check it out. Watch. It says, Mr. Simpson has 5 boxes of paintbrushes in his art room. Okay? After the first week of school, he buys 3 more, okay? 3 more paintbrushes, okay? Now, this equation is represented by this. 3 plus P times 5. Now, what we don't know is what P is. P is the unknown, what we're trying to figure out. But as we go further in the question, they tell us that P equals to 8. But let's see what they're asking us to do. They're asking us, if each box contains 8 paintbrushes, how many total paintbrushes are in Mr. Simpson's art room? So all you got to do is substitute the P for the 8. So here's what it looks like. 3 plus 8 times 5. Now, here's where people make a mistake. You got to remember something called the order of operations. Should you add 3 plus 8 first? Absolutely not. The first thing you got to do is you have to multiply. And that's where people make a mistake. So one more time. When you're talking about the order of operations, you multiply first, then you add. So 8 times 5 is what? 40. Plus 3 is equal to 43. So if they're asking us, if each box contains 8 paintbrushes, how many total paintbrushes are in Mr. Simpson's art room? Well, after we substituted the 8 for the P, we have 43. And if we check our choices, there's 43 right there. Okay? So key things. Unknowns, we're finding out. Other thing is order of operations. We multiply first, then we add. You'll be all right.